Hey everyone, it's Rita. Today I'm participating in a challenge. It's the Useful DIY Challenge, and in this one we must use a rope. The hosts for the challenge today are Momdas, Handmade Life, and Secondhand Tracey Ann. I will link their channels below as well as the playlist so you can see what everyone has come up with today. So let's get right to it. Today I'll be making a flower. I'll be using burlap, the jute twine. I will not be using the white twine I showed you. Hot glue and a pair of scissors. The pencil, I was going to trace the petals of the flower, but it wouldn't show up, so I just freehanded those. So as you can see, I'm just freehanding the petals, and I will cut out a total of 8. And to make the center of the petal, I will put a little hot glue on the rope, and then I'll just form a circle. As you wrap your rope around, add hot glue at intervals to keep the circle together. Now I'll take the petals and separate them, and next step is to outline the petals with the jute rope using hot glue. Once you get all your petals outlined with the jute rope, you can go back and trim any of the overhanging burlap from around the edges. And now what we'll do is we will hot glue the petals to the back of the centerpiece. Once you complete this step, you can take a pencil and roll your petals up to curl them, and then you'll also need to take some hot glue and glue them to each other around the edges. As you'll see in a minute, I did have one on backwards, and it was very easy just to pull off and reattach. And here it is, guys. Now I'm going to take a piece of floral wire and hot glue it to the back to make a stem. You could wrap the wire in jute rope as well. I did not. And then I'll show you how I display it. hope you enjoyed this DIY today. Thank you, Momdas and Secondhand Tracey Ann, for hosting this challenge today. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.